Hi, in this video I am going to explain you what happens when we launch the TwinCraft application for the very first time. I am going to make you walk through the entire onboarding process. So let's tap on the icon very first time. Here we go. So first we land on this language selection page. Here actually we can select more than one language also. So I select Hindi and English. Now what's the importance of this language selection is basically inside the application there is a public feed in which we can view the videos created by others. So based upon these languages you will be shown the videos inside the feed. Now we press next. This is a small introduction to application. Basically it's a kind of showcasing what you can do in TwinCraft application. We press next. Okay, import. You can import images, GIF, sounds, all these things. Let's move ahead. You can change character's
Check it
voice.
out! Oh yeah! Check it out! Oh yeah!
Check it out! Oh yeah!
We move ahead. Then you can change the speed of animation. Next, you can use zoom, pan, all the camera movement. Basically in TwinCraft application you can move the camera around, zoom in, zoom out, pan left, right, up and down. Next, so this is the final slide which basically says you can create your own movies. So this is done. Okay, now we are inside application. This is the feed page. So in this page we are going to view the videos created by others. Very first time it might take some time. Second time onwards it will be very fast.
4 बज रहे हैं।
So now the
मैं संडे को कभी उठाऊं 4 बजे जो आप उठ जाऊंगा।
feed is downloaded so you can view it. So this is the feed page. There are multiple tabs. We'll go to how to create the video or how to at least start the video creation process. So for that this center plus button is there. This button is to start creating the video. Now I press it. So basically very first time it's going to introduce you through one quick tutorial. So we'll start the tutorial. Okay, so it's guiding us like which button should be pressed, and on top you can see there's a tutorial progress. So we open this panel, add character, we select one character, say this character. So this black cloud on top right of this character denotes that this character is not yet downloaded. So suppose I go for this character, I tapped on it. So now the character is downloaded. So I'll select the character. So you can notice the progress bar is moving, and it's giving me a tip to tap here to record a dialogue. So let's record a dialogue. It will ask for permission, so we'll allow it. So yeah, hello, this is me, this is me, this is me, and then it's asking me to save a frame. So we save a frame again, it is asking me to record another dialogue. Hello, this is second dialogue, I'm waiting for it. Stop and save it. So you can see the tutorial progress is almost complete, only small portion of it is remaining white. Okay, we'll play it. Now tutorial progress is complete.
Hello, this is me, this is me, this is me. Hello, this is second dial.
So stop it. Now it is saying good job, I have finished the tutorial, and it is asking me remember to add frame after each dialogue. So this is the key concept which you should always remember later when you use the TwinCraft application, that after each dialogue you need to add a frame. I'll press on got it, and now everything is okay. Export button is enabled, so now it's the normal mode and your onboarding is complete.